For years, this wasn't a rivalry. It was an arms race. More horsepower, more noise, more suspension travel than anyone actually needed. Ford and Ram didn't build trucks, they built statements. And for a long time, no one could say who really won. Until now. Because when the Raptor R arrived, the truck war stopped being loud and started being clear. The TRX entered the fight like a hammer, a supercharged V8, 700 horsepower, a sound that announced itself blocks away. The TRX didn't care about subtlety, it wanted dominance through excess. And for a moment, it worked. The TRX was faster in a straight line, heavier, wider, louder. It felt unstoppable. But brute force has a weakness. It gets tired. Ford watched quietly. While Ram flexed numbers, Ford went back to fundamentals: weight, balance, control. The Raptor R wasn't built to win drag races. It was built to survive abuse. A naturally aspirated V8, not for theatrics, for consistency. Because power that fades isn't power, it's a liability. And that's where the difference begins. On paper, the TRX looks unbeatable. More horsepower, more torque, more presence. But the Raptor R feels different the moment you move. It's lighter, sharper, more willing to change direction. Where the TRX charges forward, the Raptor R flows. This isn't about numbers, it's about control at speed and control under punishment. Off-road, the gap widens. The TRX hits hard, then asks for mercy. The Raptor R absorbs, adjusts, keeps going. Fox suspension tuned for endurance, not spectacle. A chassis designed to land, not pose. This truck doesn't feel like it's fighting terrain. It feels like it's reading it. And when things go wrong, the Raptor R recovers faster. That's not excitement, that's engineering. On-road, the story repeats. The TRX is dramatic, fast, loud, heavy. The Raptor R is calmer, more precise, easier to place. One demands attention, the other builds confidence, and confidence wins over time. This doesn't mean the TRX failed. It did exactly what it was designed to do. It shocked the market, forced Ford to respond, raised the bar. But wars don't end when someone shouts louder. They end when someone builds something better. The Raptor R didn't overpower the TRX. It outlasted it. Better balance, better cooling, better control. This truck can run hard, cool down, and run hard again. That's not a flex, that's dominance. So yes, the truck war is over. Not because one truck is faster, not because one is louder, but because one is more complete. The Ram TRX is a moment. The Raptor R is a machine. And machines always win. If you care about capability over chaos, subscribe to Torque Review. We don't chase noise, we chase truth.